What's going on, guys? Welcome back by the channel. Today we're doing a little bit of work on the Chevy back here, our red pickup truck. We're continuing on our restoration. It seems to be taking forever, but if any of you guys have ever done this, you know that it takes a long time. So today we're going to be putting on some trim. And if you notice on the back side of the truck there, we've already got our line run on this side so we can stay straight on putting the trim molding on. So guys, stay tuned. Watch how we put it on. I know it's been a minute since we've showed you guys the truck, but I've got the front end installed. Bill worked on that by himself, and I think he did a pretty good job. As you know, we've already got the truck painted, and we're just going along adding pieces as we go. So here's the restored front end. And if any of you guys have watched any of our videos, you'll know that it was a hot mess. So here we go with this end of the truck done. And today we're going to be installing all these trim pieces here along the side of the Silverado 10. We've got a little bit of work done here on the back. We've got these pieces added. We got the emblem plate along the back. I'll just go through some of the things we've already done. We've installed the new trim on the back glass, put in a new cargo light. We've got the trim put along the door, installed new door handles. He's also installed new mirrors, and he's also put on his new Chevrolet Silverado emblems. So it's been a slow work in progress. As you can see, we've still got the inside of the truck to do. We're working on the out to in. All right, guys, let's get started on putting on this trim. So these pieces are already pre-cut from the factory for the truck. So what we have to do is just figure out which piece goes where. I assume are they gonna need any trim at all?
As far as?
Length?
Yeah, I got it cut off the back there.
Just that one?
Yeah, the very back one is made to wrap around the corner. But we don't wrap it around in that piece he's got in his hand right there.
Right.
We got it cut out for the gas tank.
So you're gonna be cutting two pieces, right?
Yeah.
So what are you doing?
That right beside of that, right under the gas tank, yeah.
So what are you doing? Just eye shotting this, or they actually have them numbered?
And lay this one by that.
By which one?
The one you just laid down.
Are they numbered on the back?
Yeah, they're lettered. Here, that goes, I'll figure it out where it goes in just a minute. Go ahead, put it up there.
Oh, where?
Lay it where you just laid him to. What we have to do here, son, let me explain to you. This goes on here like this. Okay? But we got a door here. So what we gotta do is bring me that paper. E goes here. So what we gotta do is pull E in, and we'll mark our mark right there. Cut that off. D goes over the gas tank. I'm gonna walk that off, cut that off. You follow me? Yo, man, you follow me? Yeah, you do. Okay. So. Where my pin say line?
One thing that I neglected to tell you, these pieces all apply with 3M tape. And we did use some acetone, wipe down the truck where it's going to go, so we don't have any wax or anything. Of course, this is a fresh paint job. We haven't waxed or anything, done anything to this paint. We've just been letting it cure on the truck for several weeks. So just as a precaution though, we went over it with the acetone just to make sure we've got a good surface for the 3M tape to adhere to. This area of the truck near the gas tank is going to require some cutting of the pieces. They give you several options, whichever one fits the best, so you can get by with as minimal amount of trimming as possible. I'll let you know where this kit come from at the end of the video. The links will be down below should you be interested or in need of this product also. This stuff's a little thick for regular scissors or regular cutting knife, so
Hold that down with your hand.
using an industrial cutter, what some people refer to as 10 snips, is what I call them, to trim off what he needs to trim for the gas tank area. He's got the gas tank part installed. That was the hardest part. The other side, everything's pre-cut, but on the passenger side, you have to, I'm sorry, driver's side, everything's pre-cut. On the passenger side, you have to cut out for the gas tank. But of course, if you got dual gas tanks, you got to do it on both sides.
No, it's got dual. The other side's pre-cut for the tank. A lot of trucks only come with one tank.
Oh, okay. So which side is this? Is this the dual tank side?
Well, this is
Like on the passenger side? I mean, is that how it came back when it was manufactured?
Yeah.
So if
This truck came with dual tanks.
If it just had one tank, it'd be on the driver's side.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the actual dual tank side.
Yeah.
All right, gotcha. Learned something new today. All right, everybody, this is the passenger side. Got it all finished. Looks pretty good. We're gonna flip the truck around in the building. And we're gonna do the other side. Having to do it in the shop today because it's kind of cold outside, and this stuff does need to be warm to adhere to the truck.
JD?
All right, we're getting ready to back the truck out. We're going to give you guys a cold start since we haven't cranked this up in a couple of days. not too bad. All right, we're getting ready to get started on the driver's side now. And what we've done, we've broke out the heat gun and we're heating the metal up and the 3M tape up just a little bit because, like I said, it's a little cool outside today. Matter of fact, it's kind of cold outside today. We've got the heat on in here in the shop, but still the 3M tape likes it pretty hot to here. So we're using the heat gun to heat up the truck and heat up the strips as we apply them so we can get a better adhesion. Guys, that's going to just about do it for this particular video. Like I told you, I'm going to drop a link in the description down below where you can pick up these products, and it was at lmctrucks.com, and I'll drop a link down below where you can pick up this side molding should you have a Chevy, or I imagine they do other vehicles other than just Chevys, but drop a link down below so you can pick it up. And our next video will be the installation of the rear bumper on the truck. So guys, hope you enjoyed what you've seen. If you did, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, clang on that notification bell, and like always, we'll see you on the next one.
Yeah, you can take